Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 14th of July 2022 and I'll be analyzing Megaport with the SX code is MP1. This is one of the tech stocks that has been falling quite heavily during the sell-off and we believe could be a good and interesting opportunity to enter as we speak. I'm going to show you why from the fundamental perspective and also from the technical perspective. So let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more all in this channel. So if you like, please share this video with someone that you believe could be interested. Also, I would like to invite you to become a part of our Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. We put a lot of technical and stock analysis and much more, all for free. So link in the description below. So let's jump straight into our analysis of Megaport. Let's understand a little bit what Megaport is about. And again, like I always tell everyone that is going to invest in a company, just make sure you understand what the company is about and the difference between what we call speculative stock, growth stock, a company that produces, company that actually generating revenue, companies that actually generating profit. They're all different businesses and they all have different sort of market interaction against. Now, Megaport is a world-leading a cloud integration company. It integrates different sort of cloud system and then super quick, super fast, super reliable. And that's obviously, it's been getting a lot of market shares. And then hence they came up with this sort of a breakthrough technology. They're not just increasing the number of clients, but also increasing margins, increasing services, and the key metrics. All the key metrics that we normally look into a stock are actually favorable for a rally, for a bullish sort of formation. Obviously, the macro environment is for any tech stock is not favorable. But again, if you look at the stock price now for Megaport, it's down about 70% from its peak, its all-time high. And then again, you want to be buying good quality company when it is low, not when it's high, for logical reasons. So now if we're talking about this stock 1 year ago, when I was trading about $16, now $6, $10 less than it was a year ago, you would probably be excited to buy the stock because was making higher highs, but then after this 70% fall, I think there's a massive value in this stock, to be honest. And then according to our indicators and our KPIs, as you can see here, we have green candles on a Hekenach, so which means green candles on a Hekenach with larger volume on the upside. It is a confirmation that stock is sort of slowly turning out to be bullish. And then we have a bullish intersection level 2, which basically means the candle crossing the yellow line, crossing the EMA to start trading on in a very short term, start trading on the bullish side of the EMA. And then ultimately the EMA, the yellow line, crossing the red line, as you can see here, yellow line crossing the red line, bringing the stock price to the bullish side of the SMA. And that's when we have the confirmations that the market is slowly turning into what could be a potential reversal. And then again, you want to be buying any stock. If you're using this strategy, buying at the moving average, you want to buy the stock when it's actually crossing, when the EMA doing a bullish cross on the SMA, just like as I'm indicating now for you. Here you go. This is a bullish intersection. And if you look at the last bullish intersection was last year, long ago. And then look what happened after. Obviously, this is some fake bullish intersection here, but then you gotta be aware the market, if it's bearish, you can have a bullish intersection. But what I'm saying here is, if you wanted to buy a stock, is the time when it is actually taking the bullish intersection. This is the time to buy. It is 100% guaranteed, not, of course, not like anything in the market, but then that's why we have stop losses in place. So this is a similar formation. We could happen again, or it could happen just the stock start going up all the way to $10, for example. And then what happened is you have to track the stock on a weekly basis to see whether there's this sort of a bearish formation, which means we have this bullish intersection back to a bearish intersection, which means the yellow line doesn't stay on the top, doesn't stay above the red line, and then goes back to the bearish side. And then obviously this is a sell then. Then you sell, get out of the stock, wait again for the next confirmation. Cool. But overall, I think according to, this is my analysis, by the way, of the stock. So really compelling figures has been released over the last half-year report. With strong growth, not just on the revenue, but also the EBITDA. The EBITDA is still negative, but it has been improving year on year, as you can see here. The normalized EBITDA being increasing as well as the revenue. If the full year report for FY22 is in line to the first half of this year, then we will see a significant improvement on EBITDA here, and as well as revenue. The revenue is way above the last year revenue as well. And that's what we want, this combination of gross margin improving, normalized EBITDA improving, and the revenue increasing. But not just the over revenue, the revenue for this company. Interesting fact is that the recurrent revenue also be increasing quite well, and that's what we want for business like this. We want a business that has a like sustainable and reliable recurrent revenue ticking on every single month or every single year, whatever the subscription is. And then that's Megaport. Guys, for me, it is a buy, and I'm hope this is the market conditions for tech stocks improves. Hopefully, the next whatever happens with Fed later this month, the super hike has been already priced in. This is going to be the ultimate test. If the tech stocks stays in sort of a sideways path after this. The next hike, and then I would dare to say that we've been as we speak facing a reversal on the tech sector, and most definitely tech sector is one of the sectors that has been hit really hard and has the biggest upside. And we could well see Megaport, for example, doubling or even tripling in the next 12 months once we have this whole terrible macroeconomics, macro environment out of the way. Guys, this is my thoughts for Megaport. Let us know what you think. Put your comments at the description below, and then see you in the next video. Thanks, bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.